Hello everyone. These sticky rice meatballs are very similar to gyoza, but easy to make it. So why don't you try to make them for tonight dinner? This is what you need. Put the rice into a bowl. Cover it with water and soak for at least 3-4 hours. If you have time, up to 1 day is better. 30 grams of dry shiitake mushroom. Put them into a bowl, cover with water, and soak for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, or until mushrooms are soft. Chop 100 grams of cabbage. Chop 60 grams of spring onion. Add the chopped vegetable into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, rub well, then leave for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, wash the chopped vegetable and squeeze them well. Place the vegetable in a bowl. "30 minutes later, strain the mushroom water and check the mushrooms are soft. If they are soft, remove their cores and chop them. Add the chopped shiitake to the bowl. Crack an egg into a bowl. Always crack egg into a different bowl because sometimes you find a rotten egg. Add 500 grams of pork mince into the bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar and 1/8 of teaspoon of pepper. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce and sesame oil. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger. Add the egg. Add 2 tablespoons of starch and mix well. Form the mince into 17 to 18 golf ball sized balls and put them on a tray. Strain the water and put the rice into a bowl. Cover the meatball with the rice and place them in a bamboo steamer lined with baking paper or lettuce so your meatball won't stick the bottom of the steamer. Put water in a pot and turn heat to high until the water is boiling. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat to mid, put the bamboo steamer on the pot, and cook the meatball for 15 minutes. To make the sauce, add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar into a bowl. After 15 minutes, check the rice is soft and the meatballs are cooked through. Serve the sauce and the mustard if you like. So what do you think for dinner tonight? Enjoy! Thank you for watching. See you next time. さよなら。